Yo, what's going on, guys? Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make money in crypto. Okay, you can make daily passive income. You can either have it set up automatically or you can do it manually. I'm going to show you both ways. It's a complete hack. No more of these 18-year-olds that are sitting in their mom's bedroom, posting trades, posting signals, saying you can make loads of money and then basically blowing your accounts. Okay, I'm going to show you how we do it. I'm basically a partner with CoinW that are in the exchange, and part of that partnership is we have exclusive access to their traders that work for CoinW. These guys are consistently good traders and have been trading for years. They manage all of the risk for you, so you don't even need to do anything. All right, and there's two ways you can do this. So let's get into it. Okay, cool. So what you can see is you've got CoinW here. All right. First thing you need to do is sign up to CoinW. The link is in the description of the video. So make sure you sign up to CoinW. That's the first step. All right. Once you've signed up to CoinW, also the Telegram link will be below as well. Okay, so once you've signed up to CoinW using this link, if you look at the screen, it's on the right here. All right, use that link, sign up to CoinW. Then you'll need to find your CoinW UID number. Now, if you just hover over the little man here on CoinW, you've got your UID number there. Okay, copy that, paste that in here. Just do it as per this says here. To verify, send your CoinW UID in this format. Right, and then you're in the group. Now, CoinW is a non-KYC exchange. It means you don't have to wait 24, 48 hours to get verified. You don't need a passport. You don't need any of this stuff. You literally sign up, takes 2 minutes. If you're in the UK or you're in Dubai, just literally put your VPN on and then go and sign up, and then it's no problem at all. Okay, so once you've signed up and you've basically put your UID number in this verification thing here, all right, you've then got access to this group. Now, in this group, you've got general, which is basically your kind of group chat. You've got the live trading sessions here. You've got swing trades. So basically what you'll do is you can follow the daily signals in here. So you've got like ARB, long setup, entry is there, TP1, TP2, stop loss, risk 1%, and leverage 5x. Okay, I'm going to do another video on how to open futures trades if you don't know actually how to use Exchange. Okay, but if you know how to do it and you know the basics, this is very, very simple. You don't need to sit there and do technical analysis. It's all done for you. You've then got the pro traders bit here, like with thesis and stuff, telling you about the market. You've got market updates. You've got the scalp trading section as well for short-term trades. All right, there you've got CoinW updates. You've even got the trading education side. So if you want to learn how to draw support and resistance lines, all right, you want to know about Fibonacci. Okay, you've got all of that there. You've even got the free education side. All right, you've got more tutorials on how to use CoinW. All right, deposit and withdraw on CoinW, how to buy on CoinW, how to set up copy trading on CoinW. We're going to go over the copy trading in a second. Then we've got topics here. You've even got 24-hour support line as well. If you're struggling with anything, just go onto the group, put it in there. Someone will help you on the support line. All right, and then you've got like exclusive stuff, and then you've got spot trading as well. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is sign up to CoinW using the link below. Then just verify that in the TG group, and then you've basically got free daily signals. I'm even following these signals, and they're consistently winning. Okay, I do my own trades, but when I don't have time to sit there looking at the charts, I just literally follow these guys. And I've even got my copy trader connected to these guys as well. They're consistently winning. Okay, it's a complete hack in crypto. Now, that's one way to do it. You can do it manually by opening and closing trades. Obviously, put your take profit, put your stop loss. If you don't have time and you're working 9 to 5 or you're working full time or whatever, and you don't have time to sit there and look at the group, there's another way you can do it. All right. Once you're on CoinW website, you can click on copy trading. All right, this bit here, and then you click on futures copy trading. Okay, and then you've got this section here. Now, what I do is I have my account connected to 3 traders. All right, I'm not going to say the traders on the video. If you want to know the traders, you connect everything up and you sign up to CoinW. You can message me. All right, I'll just put my Telegram there. You can message me on @JRCryptex on Telegram, and then I will basically help you get set up to put the risk in and do everything. Okay, because I've got the scalp trades. I've basically got day trades and swing trades. So I've got it set up so I'm making daily money, and then I'm making lump sums weekly as well. I've got it set up really, really well. So what you'll do is you'll basically go to the copy trading section, and then if you want to do basically copy another trader, just put the trader's name in there, and then you can connect it all up. All right, I'm going to go one extra step, and I'm going to help you to do it. Okay, so once you get CoinW set up, message me on @JRCryptex, and I will go over the copy trading with you, because I've got a complete hack on who to follow, how to get it set up. You can follow the traders on like swing trades, on day trades, or whatever, but I've got the complete hack that's going to make you daily passive income, or passive income daily. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe to the video. Message me on Telegram once you get everything set up. If you don't have time to do it manually, I'll get everything automated for you on the copy trader. So it's @JRCryptex. The link for CoinW is in the description. My Telegram is in the description. It's also in the video right now. And yeah, you don't need to pay for signals. You don't need to pay for education. You've got everything here all in one place in the Telegram, or all in one place in the copy trader. The best thing about the copy trader is it manages the risk as well, depending on the trader. I'll help you get it all set up. You don't need to do anything. Once it's set up, you leave it to run, you watch your money come in, and you're going to make daily money, daily income every single day. So it's sick. It's a really cool hack. Remember to like and subscribe to the video for more content like this and for hacks in crypto, and I'll see you guys soon.